What is you know is going on with? Me there. Me say, me there, I'm a grandnephew house. He one with a soldier. Yes, soldier American. Jesus Christ. Me say, what house big and pretty. Yes, me there full side here, I watch them picking here. Them damn bad picking here. Make sure say they can't swim and not get trouble. But anyhow, I want to know where me if it's not up give up my number. Me give me number and me say take me number. Where you give up my number far? You tell him say fit up give up my damn number. Cause you know what I'm saying. What I'm saying. Changlo push foot. Yes. So you don't know who call me. He want for this son. Call me at about saying want money. You say, Kuya, whatever money you want. You can't, you hear say give up money they find going up here. You say, you hear say money they find going up here. Well, if you hear that you better cock your damn ears. Cannot no go so. And if you think about it, you come up here and look if you're not tree plant in a yard. And any tree where you see you pick up a whole lot and carry back go to Jamaica. Damn bright. Then the other one call me there. The other one call me. And if you have the audacity to tell me say, how me no call him? We say then how you expect me to call you? You get me number, you call me, you don't chat to me, you chat to me. You don't expect me one more call to me, they don't know somebody are firing. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. The girl say, I won't call it. I can't remember when call it, but the girl say me bad mind. I say me dash them way. I say me sweet, yes, sweet. Say me sweet. Oh, you feel say me sweet. That damn with that girl. You have my number, you call me. Call me, we have my number. And around put me. And the one Gonzilla, mad girl there. The mad girl there. Head go and come like a minute what we say. Call me, both say she breed, I have picking her and after me. You ever hear some man can breed girl and picking it bad in a 3 week? 3 weeks. 3 weeks since we touch her. And call me, both say she want money. And she go tell Mavis. We say, girl, I want Mavis. I want Mavis, that's one of them big girls over your head. And then you win one. Count out about say you're breeding in a 3 week. You ever see man breed girl in a 3 week? I say, mad. Me. That trust nobody. And the girl, we don't know what they think, what fire say. We don't know what they think. So they love money. We say, how money you want, money you get. Can I wait? I never get a call from me. Both say you breed. You breed out picking already. Breed out picking already. You don't go say yet. Girl, 3 week. Must think of fool this year. No more picking we get. Fall on ya. Must be mad. Then if we not have sense, you make him sit down and wait for me. Would that time they wait till he have one another one. Picking is. We not damn before we come out there, we come mash up for down. We not be a drone no one of them. Huh? So me I say, foreign I don't know where that was. Me make sure tell them. For them things I did do. Me did don't Jamaica, me used to think some money that's the fangong. No money not the fangong. Damn life, them I tell. Everybody I tell lie. I be a liar them. You can't stand it. You can't believe them. But anyhow, you make sure you go to my grandpa page. Jamaican grandpa speaks out. Jamaican grandpa speaks out. Yes, go to it and like it page. And subscribe to my live video them too, because I always live. And then go to my YouTube page. DONPENT. Dan Pent on YouTube. And follow me. Subscribe to me. You hear? Because me say viral. And I'm viral.
All day, I'm searching for somebody else.